Morning. Subcommittee will come to order. The subcommittee is meeting today to review the current condition of the marine transportation system, as well as to examine ways to improve the system to create jobs, improve the flow of commerce, and increase U.S. exports. Last month, the subcommittee met to examine the Coast Guard's rulemaking process in an attempt to reduce burdensome regulations that stifle commerce and job creation. Today's hearing is a logical extension of that effort, as we will step back and examine the system as a whole for similar efficiencies. The MTS is a vast resource that facilitates our robust maritime commerce. It consists of waterways, ports, and intermodal landside connections that allow for movement of passengers and cargo on the water. The MTS includes nearly 360,000 miles of navigable channels, railways, and highways, as well as 238 locks and 3,700 marine terminals. The commerce which moves on the MTS fuels the economy. Approximately 99% of the volume of overseas trade enters or leaves the United States by water. The movement of cargo and associated activities on the marine transportation system adds more than $649 billion annually to the U.S. gross domestic product, sustains more than 13 million jobs, and contributes over $212 billion in annual federal, state, and local taxes. Domestic shipping alone is responsible for over 500,000 American jobs and $100 billion in annual economic output. As such, ongoing maintenance and improvement of the MTS is essential to any effort to create jobs and expand exports. In July of 2008, the Cabinet-level Committee on the Marine Transportation System released its National Strategy for Marine Transportation System, a framework for action, which identifies current challenges to marine transportation and several actions to address these challenges. I look forward to hearing about the progress on those actions. Similarly, I hope that our witnesses will touch on ways to revitalize our marine highways. These rivers, canals, and coastal routes are the most economical, environmentally sustainable, and safest mode of commercial freight transportation. I look forward to hearing about efforts to support and enhance the Marine Highways program. As our economy struggles to recover, every agency in the federal government must seek ways to promote growth. That means exploring ways to create jobs, increase exports, and save taxpayers' money. A robust marine transportation system can potentially accomplish all three. However, as we focus our efforts on ways to maximize the system's potential, it is imperative that the policies we develop promote the transportation of goods on American ships, built in American shipyards, and operated by American mariners. I want to thank the witnesses for being here today and look forward to hearing their testimony. And now I'd like to yield to Mr. Larson.